Hey everyone, if your internet feels slow or some websites won't load, then changing your DNS on Deco can make things faster and smoother. Let me show you how to do it step by step. Before we begin, make sure your phone is connected to your Deco's Wi-Fi. Also, double check that you have the latest version of the Deco app installed. You can watch video given in the description to learn how to update the app. Next, open the Deco app on your phone, tap More, go to Internet Connection, then IPv4 connection. This is where you will find the current network setup and DNS options. Under DNS address, choose manual instead of automatic. Now type in your preferred DNS server address, for example 8.8.8.8 or 8.8.4.4, which happens to be a Google DNS, or any other DNS you like. After typing that, click Save. In case if Deco doesn't let you change DNS on the WAN side, don't worry, there's a fallback. So now you can go to More, then tap on Advanced, followed by going to DHCP server and change the DNS there. And finally hit Save. This way your Deco will still tell all connected devices to use the new DNS. So talking about the benefits of custom DNS, it can make websites load faster, reduce buffering, and sometimes fix issues when certain sites are blocked or unreachable. It's a small change but often gives a noticeable speed boost. And that's it, you have successfully changed your DNS on Deco, and if you face any issues, try restarting your Deco or reconnecting devices. And yes, it works on almost all Deco models. And finally, if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe. Plus hit the bell icon for more easy Wi-Fi and router tips. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.